Meta AI in 2026. The agentic shift and the rise of wearables. In 2026, Meta has officially pivoted from being a social media company to an AI infrastructure powerhouse. While the metaverse remains a long-term vision, the immediate reality is a world where Llama 4 powers everything from your WhatsApp chats to the smart glasses on your face. This 3-page guide explores Meta's transition into autonomous agents, the hardware that makes AI invisible, and how vibe coding is changing the developer landscape. Page 1. The Llama 4 Revolution, Intelligence at Scale. The backbone of Meta AI in 2026 is the Llama 4 family of models. Released in mid-2025, these models have matured into the industry standard for open intelligence. 1. Scout and Maverick, the dynamic duo. Meta shifted its architecture to mixture of experts, MOE, allowing for massive efficiency gains. Llama 4 Scout, the speed model. With a context window of 10 million tokens, it can process entire libraries of data instantly. It is the engine behind Meta's real-time translation and content moderation. Llama 4 Maverick, the reasoning model. Boasting 400 billion parameters, Maverick is designed for complex logic, document understanding, and acting as an autonomous enterprise agent. 2. Multimodality is the default. Llama 4 doesn't just read text, it natively sees and hears. In 2026, Meta AI can watch a video you've uploaded to Instagram and automatically generate a localized, dubbed version in one of 12 supported languages, perfectly matching your original tone and cadence. 3. The end of the bot and the rise of the AWA. We no longer talk to Meta AI, we assign it missions. Using autonomous workflow agents, AWAs, Meta AI can now manage your digital life. You can tell your WhatsApp, organize a dinner for 6 on Thursday, find a place everyone likes, and send the invites. And the AI will check your group's preferences and calendars to execute the task. Page 2. AI wearables, putting Meta on your face. If 2024 was the year of the smartphone AI, 2026 is the year of AI wearables. Meta has successfully turned Ray-Ban glasses into the most popular AI hardware on the planet. 1. Next-gen Ray-Ban Meta, Aperol and Bellini. Codenamed Aperol and Bellini, the 2026 smart glasses feature super sensing, always-on AI that can run for hours. Facial recognition, name tag. Currently rolling out, this feature allows the glasses to recognize people you know, or public figures, and whisper their names and last interactions into your ear. Contextual memory. Your glasses now remember what you see. You can ask, "Where did I put my car keys?" And the glasses will replay the moment you dropped them on the hallway table. 2. Neural wristbands and gesture control. Meta's first smartwatch, Malibu 2, launched in early 2026. It features a neural band that detects sub-millimeter muscle movements. You can control your AR glasses or smart home devices by simply tapping your fingers in the air. No "Hey Meta" wake words required. 3. Live translation to Pedo. In 2026, traveling to a country where you don't speak the language is no longer a barrier. Your Ray-Bans provide live captions on a monocular HUD or through directional speakers, translating foreign speech into your ears in real time with less than a 500 ms delay. Page 3. The business of AI, advertising and developers. Meta's $65 billion investment in AI infrastructure is paying off through a complete transformation of the digital advertising and developer ecosystems. 1. The one-click ad agency. For businesses, Meta AI has become a full-service agency. An advertiser can now upload a single product photo and a budget. Meta AI then generates 50 variations of the background and lighting, writes the copy in 12 languages, autonomously optimizes the targeting to find the highest converting audience. Result: conversion rates have increased by 40% for small businesses using these automated tools. 2. Vibe coding and open source dominance. Meta remains the champion of open source AI. Through Llama Stack, developers in 2026 are using vibe coding, a method where you describe the feel and intent of an app, and Maverick 4 generates the entire backend, frontend, and API integrations in seconds. 3. The unification of messaging. While Meta is shutting down the standalone Messenger.com to fold it back into Facebook, the backend is more unified than ever. Meta AI now acts as a universal inbox, allowing you to manage Instagram DMs, WhatsApp messages, and Facebook threads through a single conversational AI interface. The 2026 verdict: Meta AI has moved from a novelty to a necessity. It is no longer just a circle in your search bar. It is the eyes on your face, the assistant in your pocket, and the engine behind the world's most efficient marketing machine. Would you like me to draft a specific tutorial on how to use Llama 4 Maverick for your own business automations? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified on daily updates.